Hey, what's up everyone? This is your Russian sidekick here in the kitchen again, and today we're gonna make one very special cream that every Russian person really likes. We use this cream on the cake, we use them with pastries and everything like that. Let's jump into it. It's really easy recipe. It's only gonna take you like 10 minutes to prepare. So for this recipe we're gonna need 3 egg whites, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, just regular vinegar, and 1/4 of a cup of water. So usually if you want to make a bigger portion, you just take 1/4 of your sugar amount. So if I'm using 1 cup, I'm using 1/4 of water here. So eggs, we're gonna whip it. First we're gonna make syrup out of our sugar and water. So all we just need to take something that we're gonna boil it in, and then just pour water into the sugar, mix it, and then put it on your stove top. So put it here on the stove and just wait when it's gonna start boiling. Here I have a little bit of water, and I will use this water to see if it's cooked or not. When it's gonna boil for a while, I will take a drop with my spoon and just drop it in the water. And if I would be able to form a bowl out of this sugar water, then it's ready. So we can see that it started boiling here. I'm just using a medium heat. You can see that it's a little bit more transparent now. It should take another minute, maybe less, until it's ready, and I will start doing taste really soon. So I take a little bit to my spoon and then I drop it to cold water. I'm trying to form it. It's too liquid yet, so we'll just wait for a little bit more. It's really important to not overcook it because it will just crystallize back to the sugar, and we don't want that. I can form it in here in a bowl, soft bowl, so it's good. We're just gonna put it here aside. So now we're going to drop these egg whites into a bowl and start mixing it with a mixture. And we're gonna mix it until we're gonna see the shapes of a whisk. So when you see that it holds itself like this, it has some shapes here and it's really fluffy, then you have to pour the syrup inside. Don't turn off your whisk, just do it slowly by a really thick line. And then you need to add vinegar. And after that you need to mix it from 7 to 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this Italian Meringue, the favorite Russian dessert or cream. You can use it for decorations to decorate your cakes instead of frosting. You can fill inside of any pastry with it. That's actually the most common use for this cream. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope your family will enjoy it after you will cook it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave any question in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel. Good luck with the cream, and I'll see you.